Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You already know what to do. Like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss a video. Share with this with a friend and like this video. And let's get started. So today, I'm going to be trying out candy corn and these like red fish. So I'm going to open the candy corn first. So let's open the candy corn. So guys, the candy corn's open. Let me smell it. It smells sweet. Guys, when I get a few pieces out, I will get back to you. So guys, I got a few pieces out. I got 3 pieces. So I'm gonna try it. This tastes pretty good. Go get this at the store, guys. Go get this at the store. It tastes pretty good. Go get this at the store, but make sure it's in this packet. Go get these at the store. And this packet, no other packet. It needs to be in this packet. Because I'm telling you, these candy corns are the bomb. I will get back to you when I'm done eating. So guys, I'm done eating. These candy corns are so delicious. Now we're trying to eat. Now we're gonna open the red fish. The red fish smells so good. One. So I will get to you when I get them out. So guys, I took 3 out, as you can see. I'm gonna try one. These are really good. Guys, it's strawberry flavored. Go get these candies. They're so good. Go get them. Oh my god. It is so good. Just listen to hear the sound flash noise. It's so satisfying. I will get back to you when I find the spot. We're back. So guys, I'm gonna finish. So I took 6 of these out. Let me show you guys. I took 6 of these out because I'm gonna eat 6 of these. And then I only took 1 of these out because I'm only gonna eat 1. So let me show you a quick review. So guys, that was the review. So let's eat my candy corn. It's so delicious. It's so delicious. I'm so sorry. You want to taste something, guys? Here, take one. Sorry, guys. I will get back to you. So, guys, I had to clean off the camera because, like, we got things on it. I will get back to you when I find a spot. So, These candy corns are so good. Let me tell you a story. So, me and my sister was playing karate. And she did a karate and she slipped and hit her head. But it's okay. And guys, I'm also gonna be, let me finish chewing. I'm also gonna be making this YouTube channel with the jelly fruits on it. So if you want me, if you want to see me do a jelly fruit, I'm gonna let you see my granny try it. Okay. These are good, so I'm gonna walk. And I'm gonna let my granny try it. One child.
I just got to just put it down. I just start eating cheese.
Okay. And I'm gonna take my phone. So guys, I gave that to her because like I don't want to be eating in her face, so I let her try one. And I'm gonna wait and see what she said. So like, yeah, so I'll get back to you when, well, actually this video is over. I will let you know. I'm gonna go get the things. So guys, she said they were good, so I'm gonna get, bye.